show you how to create a test event in FitnessGram and enter scores. So this screen is after you log in at the beginning, and your login credentials are your your username's your employee ID number, the password's FitnessGram in all lowercase letters, and the code is number sign 4, the number 4, lowercase y, and then number 8. And then you'll be on this screen. This is where you'll be next. You click on where it says menu, and then you click on FitnessGram. And then the new page comes up, and you would click on create event. And then on this screen where it says select school, you would find your school. My school is Stonewall Tell. Then you move to the next box, select teachers, and then I'd find my name. Then you go to the next box, and then I'm going to create this event for my 5th grade classes. So I'm going to scroll down to find my 5th grade classes. My 5th grade classes have this number 6 in there. These are all your class rosters. And the 5th grade classes have a number 6. Your 4th grade classes have this number 5. But I'm just going to do my 5th grade classes. So you would click on each of your classes that you want for this test event. And then you click on step 2. So I have 4 5th grade classes. I go to step 2. And then the test event name is... So right now we're in semester 2, post, and then fiscal year FY17 underscore, and then Stonewall. This is my school, so you'd put your school. And then I'm going to put 5th grade, Stonewall 5th. And the start date for semester 2 is January the 4th. And your end date for the 2nd semester is June the 1st. And the reason it's after school ends, because if you find out that you made a mistake, you can still go back in there and fix it until June the 1st. If you put a date of, let's say, April the 15th, you can't go back in there after April 15th to change any of your scores. So we put June the 1st for the end date. And then I would click on post test. And then you scroll down, and then you go to step 3. I'm just waiting for the new screen to pop up for step 3. Okay, so here's the next screen that pops up. So you can see it might take a moment because everybody in the state's entering their scores now. So just give it a moment. So then you'd click your test items. You'd click on an aerobic capacity item. My school, we do the 15-meter pacer. And then you have height and weights already done for you. Curl-ups, push-ups are already clicked for you. Sit and reach left, sit and reach right's already done for you. And then you go to step 4. And then this is your test event. And then you go to create. So you've created your test event. So next, this is the one I just created. I'm going to click the radio button next to it. And then I'm going to go click on go to, enter data. This is my 5th grade classes that I have to enter the data for. If you click on this, you'll see this is class section 1, section 2, section 3, section 5. So you would click on that to toggle between your classes. And then to enter your scores, you would just enter in their scores here. make sure when you're done entering everybody's scores, you click on process scores so that saves it. To do an exemption, we'll say that we'll click on this one, and let's say this student wasn't there or doesn't come to our school anymore. You would click on the whatever they missed or not there for, and then it says hit control, and then you click on the down arrow at the same time, and this helps you would click on all the events and the exemption code you'd pick if they moved, and then you click save, and then after you're done you can see like the student would have the exemption codes there. So that's how you do that. Then when you're done and you've processed all the scores, you click on menu again. You click on to do the reports for the student, click the reports button, and then you would populate your reports for your students to take home. So you would click on the FitnessGram reports. So we're waiting for the screen to come up. So as you can see, it's running slow, but when this comes up, then you would create your student reports to send home, and then you'd click on View Report, and then this is how you would send home your student reports that are required at the end of the year. So here's the next screen. So you would click on FitnessGram Student Report, and then you click on View Report, and then you would toggle through like we did at the beginning for whatever classes you want to populate the reports for, and then you'd print them up to send home. That's all for this video.